How to see your orders on Amazon.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your orders on Amazon.com fast and easy. So first thing, go to Amazon, and now you need to go here to the top, and here you will find many options and choose the orders. And as you can see right here, you will find your orders easy and fast. You can also sort them by the 3 months, 2022 and archived orders. And you can also see your buy again, or you're not shipped yet, and your digital orders or whatever. And also you can see your cancelled orders. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.